What's up, English language learners? In today's easy English lesson, you're going to learn how to handle mix-ups or misunderstandings. Misunderstandings occur when someone doesn't understand something correctly, or perhaps all of the facts are unknown. So, let's get started. Hello, Janet. How have you been? Janet? Janet. I wonder what's wrong with Janet. Should I ask her? She's not even talking to me. She didn't even say hello. We have been friends for a long time. So yes, I do need to ask her. Janet, what's wrong? Did I say or do something to offend you? Why didn't you come to my anniversary party? You had an anniversary party? Congratulations! Happy anniversary! My anniversary was last month. Oh, so sorry. So, why didn't you come? I wasn't invited. What? Of course you were invited. I sent you an invitation. I never received an invitation. What? Really? Really? I wonder why you didn't receive the invitation. I don't know. Did you send it to the right address? Yes, I sent it to the right address, 270 Kingston Road. I don't live at 270 Kingston Road. What? You don't? No, I don't. I don't understand. Did you move? No, I didn't move. I live at 277 Kingston Road, not 270 Kingston Road. What? I am so sorry. Please forgive me. It's okay. I forgive you. But what? Janet, we're friends. So when there's a misunderstanding or a mix-up, we should fix it immediately. We should always communicate with each other. Okay? Okay, I'm very sorry. It's just that I was so hurt. But I still should have called to talk to you about it. Yes, always. Hey, do you want to have lunch? My treat. Sure, let's go. Yes, of course. Sounds like fun. Oh yeah, of course. Remember how much fun we had the last time? Do you know what would be really cool? If you wear those crazy looking yellow jeans and that afro wig. Do you still have that? Victor, I gotta go. I'll call you back later. What's wrong, babe? Who was that on the phone? It was. Don't you try to say that she was just a workmate. No, she is my. And don't you dare say that she is just a friend. Janet, That was Emma, my cousin from Florida. You do remember her, right? She called to invite us to a party. It's a 1970s costume party. Oh, yes, of course. I remember her. A costume party sounds so fun. Sorry. Forgive me? Sure. Women. I'm really sad. What's wrong, Sandra? Why are you sad? I heard Janet talking to Angela. Our boss, Angela? What did she say? She told her that I was a jealous person. Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. I can't stop crying. Janet said that you were jealous? Are you sure? Yes. I can't believe this. It just doesn't make any sense. That doesn't sound like Janet. I know. We have been friends for so long. She never says anything bad about anyone. Exactly. That's why it doesn't make any sense. You should talk to her. Go ask her about it. Really? Yes, of course. Maybe there is a logical explanation. Okay, I will go and talk to her. Janet, could I talk to you? Of course, Sandra. Come in. Please sit down. What's wrong? This is just so hard for me to say. Please tell me. We have been friends for a long time. You can tell me anything. You know that, right? Yes. So please, talk to me. Okay. Well, yesterday I heard you talking to our boss. I heard you tell her that I was a jealous person. What? Jealous? Yes, I heard you. Jealous? I told her that you were zealous, not jealous. Really? Yes, really. There is a new job opening, and she was asking me if you would be capable of handling it. I told her that you would be perfect. I told her that you were a very zealous worker. Really? Yes, really. Oh, thank you. I'm really glad that I talked to you. Me too.